Hey again, it's me, Andy from potatoesandpearls.com, and this is just a short video to show you how I make banana bread using my bread maker. I am going to have a link to the bread maker I use down in the description, and I will also have the full recipe in the description. Let's get into it right after this. This is the bread maker that I use. I will have this linked in the description below. It works perfectly fine for me. It kneads the bread. It's like you just dump everything in and go. I know there's some bread makers where you have to do extra steps before you even put it in there, but this one does it all. I love it so much and I use it all the time. The first thing that you're going to need is 2 ripe bananas. You want them like right on the edge of, they're going to be too brown, and you are going to cut and mash those up and put them in the bread maker. Next, you need 1/4 cup of salted butter that is softened and 1/4 cup granulated sugar. Add in 1 large egg to the bread maker. This is where we mix our dry ingredients, and we start out with 1 cup of all-purpose flour. I have no idea why I didn't just use my cup measure and decided to use the 1/4 cup 4 times, but whatever. For the rest of the dry ingredients, you're just going to add in 1/2 a teaspoon of ground cinnamon and 1/2 a teaspoon of baking soda. Once you add in your dry ingredients, you're going to put in 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I use the cap as a measuring device. For some reason, I'm just an old person at heart. And you're going to set the bread machine to sweet bread or quick bread. I used the sweet bread function, and then my machine, like I said, it does all of the work for me. So it's starting to blend everything together, and my machine takes about 3 hours to complete. I've taken my banana bread out of the bread maker, and this is the final product. When you cut it in half, you can see the inside is very moist. There's like this weird indent from the mixer in the machine. I normally just slice those areas off so it's not there, and I just eat the pieces myself. This is one of my favorite recipes. I love banana bread. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!